Hello everyone, welcome to iqCode. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own local server. For that, first we're going to go to our control panel. When you're in your control panel, click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. We're going to wait and then turn on Internet Information Services. Okay. Then we are going to wait for it to install. Okay, as you can see, we have installed those features, internet features. Now we're going to click close. And after that, we're going to go to our C drive, which is in this PC. You basically click this PC, go to local this C drive, and then you're going to click init pub. Right after that, you're going to go to www root. And this is what our sources for our website are going to be. These two things are put in by automatic. So we're going to go to our file, which we have our website in, which is right here, the localhost tutorial. I'm going to right click and copy. Then I'm going back to www root and paste it in here. Click continue. Okay, now we basically got our website ready. We just want to get this name and go to Google or whatever search engine you are using. Okay, now we're going to write localhost / localhost tutorial / main.html. This is our public website for Wi-Fi right here. Now, as you can see, we can interact in it and do things. Okay, now I will show you how to make it so that other people can view it. First, go to your command prompt and type in ipconfig. Then you're going to find the IPv4 address in the bottom. We are going to copy our IP version 4 address. Then we are going to go to our search engine and paste in the IP address / whatever your file is, localhost tutorial / main.html. This is the website that others on your Wi-Fi are going to go to access your website. Only you are going to be able to use the localhost command on your own computer. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can see more videos. Next video, if this video gets 5 likes, I will show you how to publish a website on the internet using GitHub. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.